is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another show. Yeah, it's called Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I got one today that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. We've got one, I don't know, it'll be good or I just don't like it. We'll see. This is Maruchan Niku Soba. That means it's a buckwheat noodle and with a bonito and kelp base, a little squinky here, and it's also got pork going on. And we are joined today by the illustrative and fascinating Mr. Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. How's it going, Mr. Stumpy?
It's doing great. How are you doing, Ramen Raider?
Doing what I do. So we're gonna add some water to this cup, and well, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm adding water to the cup. Spilling it all over the stove. And yeah, off we go on our merry way. I need to clean up this water first, so why don't you tell the nice folks what you've been doing today?
Oh, I went and got a haircut after a year. A lot of hair off my head.
Yeah.
It's been great. Yeah.
That's rad.
Went and got a hamburger and fries and junk food it up. Yeah, it was great.
That sounds good. I'd eat a hamburger today.
Awesome.
Yeah. Let's do our quote of the day real quick. Oh, let's start that 3-minute timer too. Well, no. There. So, this is from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, the Book of Books, the Sacred Tome. Number 251, right? Yeah, 251, creating foods to serve society. This phrase came to me and I adopted it as a company motto. It enjoins us to create food, the root of all living things, and in this way contribute to the world. So, yeah. He likes cooking tasty food.
That's absolutely enlightening.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Logical, lively, flavorful. Yeah. So, what's going on in North Little Rock today? Were there any riots there recently, or protests or whatever?
No riots or protests here, no.
No.
No. Yeah, I guess we're okay with the police around here.
Well, that's a good thing, I guess. Yeah. So did you you've gotten your immunizations?
Yeah, I got Team Moderna
Nice.
immunizations.
I'm in Team Pfizer. Pfizer Bio. What is it? Bio Pharma. Blah blah blah. I appreciate blah blah blah. Time to time. Yeah.
Aren't you getting your second shot soon, or did you already get it?
Thursday and it's Monday, and she's getting her second shot tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
God, I had somebody in one of those chats. They were like, I posted something like, yeah, I got my first shot. Felt, I got the sore arm, but I felt pretty good. In fact, I felt kind of like comfy and sleepy. I played a little bit of Pokemon and fell asleep. And you know what? It was nice. Honestly, I would consider, doing this recreationally if it were something like that. They were like, well, let's hope that we're going to be able to see you in a few years still alive. Like, wow. The doomsayers, they're everywhere. Like, it's a shot, dude.
I don't see COVID vaccine junkies being a thing, though, man.
No, probably
Hey, got some of
not.
that COVID off the market, man. Come on, I need me some COVID. I'm jonesing.
Meet me
Gotta
in the
get me some
alley behind the
vaccine.
bar. We'll get shoot you up with some COVID vaccine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, what I heard on the news was that they have some kind of people are making people fake vaccination cards, and there's like a federal crackdown on it. It's like, dude, just go
Oh,
get the frickin' shot. It's so anti-vaxxers can like go and do whatever
lie
they
about
want.
it.
It's stupid. Yeah. That's
It's a lie.
so they can perpetuate the sickness. Well, here's our what do you call it? Our noodle. It's dark in color. Give this a try. Mmm. Not incredibly thrilled. Kind of sweet. Definitely tasting that kind of kelp thing going on. Kelp and bonito broth. Yeah, I've had worse, but it just doesn't make me happy.
No.
I mean, it's not bad. It's okay, but it's not. I don't feel a wow. What color bowl do I use? The green or the blue, dude?
Blue.
That's what I was leaning towards. Okay. So let's make sure that, oh. The old Stumpy is on the camera underneath the pedestal of the camera stand. So it's kind of hard to see what's going on, but I think we got it figured out. All is well. Okay, so what are we adding in? We're adding in some fish cake. Fish cake! Everybody likes the fish cake! I don't skimp either. I like big chunks of fish cake. That's how I do it.
Excellent.
Yeah. A little bit of spring onion. And some of this. This is like little tempura balls. Little balls there. Everything smells fine in this bag. I believe that came out of another. I just dropped the bag with tiny little tempura balls. None of them came out of the bag. Did not make a mess. Did not make a mess on the kitchen floor. That is a sign of quality, ladies and gentlemen.
Good.
Some sesame seeds. And I think we are good on this one. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's just not my preferred style. Like, I'd rather be trying some miso, and that's saying a lot, because a lot of the time miso is just really not my thing. But not too shabby. It's not working well. I got this charging cable and a lot of grunting. Alright, now Rotato can peaceably do its business. Here we go. Ooh, I'll add some of that too. Alright, well. You want to do another one after this, old Stumpy?
Sure.
You up for another episode? Alright, well, we will get back to the famous doctor momentarily. The next one we're going to have will be some Ace Cook Shibura. I think it's a Kyoto Shibura Tonkatsu Shoyu. So that'll be coming up on tomorrow's episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.